Welcome to the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. I'm Jerill, your host.
There once was a big wax candle which knew its own importance quite well. I am born of wax and molded in a shape, it said. I give better light and burn longer than other candles. How lovely it must be to shine for the grand people. But it was my lot to be tallow and not my way.
This is Jerill with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. Today we're coming from Cabell County, West Virginia, and our guest is Rebecca Lily Mazzella. And today we're talking about candle making. I've redesigned the candle box to make it a little bit more user-friendly. Here you can see you can pick it up with one hand. And in order to do that, I incorporated some feet in the bottom, so the little recessed area gives you a nice place to grab a hold of it with one hand. Instead of the box joints on this one, I've made a rabbet joint. A very nice strong joint. And as you can see, it also has a sliding lid and it has a carved thumb latch to make it easy to open and close. The most important part is that it be comfortable. There we go. Thanks for watching the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. Be proud of your Appalachian heritage.